How to cancel ZipRecruiter free trial. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to cancel your ZipRecruiter, then firstly go ahead and open the ZipRecruiter application and select the My Account option in the top right corner of your screen. Further, select Subscription and then tap on the Overview option from the drop-down menu that appears. Next, on the subscription page, you will see one of the two options depending on the status of your account. Number 1, a cancel free trial button, and number 2, a cancel auto renewal button. Select the cancellation button that appears on your screen as shown in the example, and further follow the on-screen prompts in order to complete the cancellation. Or you can also cancel the account by calling in the landline number of ZipRecruiter, or you can also send them an email and a representative will assist you with your request. So these are a few methods on how you can cancel ZipRecruiter free trial. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.